Okay, next topic for revision for year 10, working with circles foundation. And the first question is label the parts of the circle. First of all, on this left hand side, I've got this line going from the center to the outside. That is the radius, and the outside I should really have called the circumference. It hasn't, so that's radius done. There isn't a diameter on there. If I had a diameter, the diameter would be going, let's just change the colour. The diameter would be going in a straight line from one side to the other through the centre. So that would be the diameter. We haven't got the diameter there. However, next to it, we have this line which cuts through the from one side of the circumference to the other side, but not through the centre, and it creates what are called segments. So this area here, that's a segment, but the line that makes the segment is called the chord. So we've got chord and segment. The tangent is the line that touches the edge of the circle but doesn't cut through it. And the final thing that isn't on there is a sector, and a sector is like a piece of the circle that goes through, is made from two radii, and it's this sort of like piece of pie idea. This one is called the minor sector. And the other big one, which is all of that, the other side looks a bit like Pac-Man, that's called the major sector. Okay. Quickly on to the next. What fraction of the circle is shaded? Give your answer in its simplest form. Well, I can see that the shaded part is 100 degrees, and the whole circle all the way round is 360 degrees. So this is 100 out of 360. All I need to do is simplify that. I divide by 10. If I see a 0, I take a 0 off the top and bottom to divide by 10. Now I'm looking at 10 and 36. I can see they're both even. So we divide by 2, so I get 5 over 18. 5 isn't a factor of 18. So in fact, that is the answer.